Would you share your computer with 100 random people? Of course not. But it's exactly how AI agents run today, fighting for shared resources. Hi, I'm Vasek, co-founder and CEO of E2B. Today, I'm excited to share that we have raised a $20 million Series A led by inside partners to deliver an open source standard of where AI agents work. 2 years ago, my co-founder Thomas and I faced a problem building our own coding agent. It took minutes to spin up a VM. The code was unsecured and it was a nightmare. We searched everywhere for a fast, secure infrastructure to run agents at scale. We didn't find anything, so we built E2B. But first, a little bit of background. AI agents started as chatbots. Ask a question, receive a reply. Then came simple code execution, like drawing charts from uploaded data, as well as retrieval augmented generation agents that query data in real time to answer questions. Next, deep research agents were introduced, handling longer and more complex tasks over longer periods of time. Today, general agents use over 30 tools to automate end-to-end workflows and need to run much longer, sometimes for days. The problem is, companies still use Web 2.0 infrastructure designed for humans to run agents. Traditional solutions like Docker containers are unsecure, and custom setups like Firecracker quickly become complicated, are hard to orchestrate, and can't manage persistent workloads on their own. To solve this, we need agent-first infrastructure. E2B delivers just that. We provide AI agents with dedicated cloud-based sandboxes that act like fully featured virtual machines, booting in 200 milliseconds. Each sandbox is completely isolated, ensuring secure execution without risking your infrastructure. Agents can seamlessly execute code, interact securely with APIs, manage persistent state, use the browser, and orchestrate multi-step tasks. We handle everything, from sandbox orchestration to scaling millions of sandboxes daily, freeing your team to focus purely on building powerful, production-ready AI. 87% of Fortune 100 companies have already gotten started on E2B. But they are not alone. Top startups also power innovative AI workflows with us. Perplexity runs advanced deep research agent to deliver analyst-grade research. Hugging Face securely trains LLMs. Groq instantly executes high-performance secure code. Gumloop automates complex workflows with AI, saving thousands of hours. These companies use E2B because of us being a leader in open source, as well as having a near-instant startup, zero-trust security, and turnkey deployment that gets agentic workflows running in production in days, not months. We are entering an era where every AI agent needs its own OS, as well as multiple building blocks like monitoring, secrets vault, and connections to your favorite apps so agents can use them. At E2B, we are delivering the sandbox standard that lets you confidently deploy and scale your agentic workflows, handling tens of millions of agent tasks daily. In just a few months, E2B has handled hundreds of millions of sandboxes. And this number grows every day. If you are an enterprise looking to scale your AI workflows, give us a call. If you are a top engineer that likes to work on complicated infra problems at a massive scale, my DMs are open. Either way, come build with us.